Murdeshwara was not in the plan. Since it's on the way, we thought, why not just go take a snap. And yes, this is my second time in Murdeshwara. And now we are heading towards Maravanthe Beach to take some good snaps over there. I kind of like that beach. It is a little different than the usual beaches. It looks amazing from the drone. I've seen some drone shots of Maravanthe Beach. Maravanthe is about 56 kilometers from here. Let me fuel up. I think I need fuel. $600. Man, the fuel price is 106. I think it's just increasing and increasing. Last year when I was riding, I think the fuel price was around 80, and in Goa it was much cheaper. It was 74. And because of humidity, bike is consuming a lot of fuel as well. So the tank is getting heated up because of the heat. I think on an average my bike gives about 27 to 30 mileage per liter. This is decent, I believe. It's still okay compared to other bikes. But if you want mileage, you'll have to be riding in say 50 to 60 kilometers on a highway, which is impossible for me because I'll not be reaching the destination on time. It'll probably take 2 days or 1 day completely. That's the cyclist that we saw in Murdeshwara. He's cycling away to Kota. I respect his dedication in this weather. Especially cycling is not so easy. When I look at these cyclists, I feel like when I want to just buy a cycle and get on the road on weekdays and cycle away, maybe I'll think about it. It's like cycling on weekdays and biking on weekends. Sounds good, right? So far we've done 621 kilometers from Bengaluru. In this trip we were a little easy on time management. We wanted to enjoy and just take a moment everywhere wherever we felt like stopping and enjoy the landscapes. Time is something which you can predict, but it's very difficult to keep it up in rides and in a group ride especially. Look at that. That's insane. Every curve is a surprising curve here on this highway. Beautiful. Look at the shape of this mountains covered with fog. I'm going to be talking about mountains a lot for sure, because there's so much goodness that it brings to my eyes when I look at a mountain. I think this is probably the 4th or 5th water body that I'm seeing on this road. Reach Maravanthe. This is the beauty of these beaches. It's right next to the road. I see a lot of people. So the speciality of this place is there's beach on this side and there's this water body on this side. A drone shot would be amazing. This is known as, I think this is the backwaters, I believe, if I'm not wrong. That's the speciality of this beach. It's called Maravanthe Beach. So this is not visible so much, but on the drone I'm sure it'll be visible. I'll try to find a picture taken from the drone so that you get a view of what I'm talking about. So let's go to the beach. They put up stalls and all, huh? Nice. Because last year when we came, there was nothing. Just the beach. That's the Maravanthe Beach. Right now. So this beach gives you a feeling of the rocky beaches in Pondicherry, right? So meanwhile I'm hungry. Let's see what they've got. What are you having? I've ordered vada pav. Having my bhel puri. I'm so hungry. I'm sorry guys.
How is it, bro? Bhel puri?
Okay. It's dry. It's kind of a churmiri.
No, there is. Why?
Vada pav.
It's like. Did anyone ask for rice? That is red off shade. In order to. Bro, you ordered. That's a rust proof paint.
So this is the second beach in this trip. This beach is very famous in this part of coastal region, Karnataka, because of the speciality that I told you. And you cannot play in this beach because this is quite powerful and you know it's too deep. Look at the kind of waves. It's very dangerous and it's also, you know, prohibited. I tried taking time lapse, but the clouds aren't moving. There's no point in putting it on time lapse. So this is the speciality of this beach. There's backwaters and there's beach on the other side. I don't know how this happened, but you know, this is something which is really special about this place, which is why people come here. So that is all from Maravanthe Beach. There's nothing else to explore.